So do you see, let me get a wrap. Good. Hold on a second. Let it down. So next part here on Pop's Jeep, we're going to be putting some wheel spacers on here to try to get the wheels to stick out a little more, because he said he wants it to look like a Hot Wheels. So if we could get the wheels out past the body, maybe like an inch, we'll be happy with that. So he ordered a set of spacers. I'll show you here in a minute. You can see here the jack's on it a little bit, but it does have the Daystar lift kit on it. Has skid plates. We put the Hella Cube lights. It's got the CB and CB antenna. Has the bracket for the reverse light. So that should give it some poke.
Yeah, I think. Them other ones, that's what I mean. They were like, must be for a clearance issue, you know? I guess these brakes look like they're about shot in the back now. They've been on there since day one.
How many miles does it have on it now?
Just about 40.
40,000.
Yeah. You'd like to hit all this with black here. See that?
Yeah.
Like to scuff it up a little bit. I mean, really make it so it's like kind of really helping the rust, not just covering it up. So the emergency brake should be on, so we should be able to tighten it.
So there it is, the spacer on the back. You see, just give it a little more poke. Take a look at this side. Take a look at this side. You can see very flush with the body, or even in a little bit.
Fill it in. Huh?
That's what you were going for, right?
Yeah. See it from the back. Makes the tires look bigger. You know what I mean?
Yeah. And it looks like you could fit a bigger tire now.
Well, I mean, it's going to level out. You know, it's all kinked up from jacking it up. It's not that. That'll go down in the back.
Yeah.
It's the camber's all in.
Mm-hmm.
That'll roll out and settle down a little bit, but. So I guess I should do this side, or should I do the other back?
It's up to you.
It just doesn't matter. Right?
Yeah. Way better.
Look at this other side. I mean, how close it is.
Yeah. Really how it should have been from the time it was lifted. We're all done here. Looks good.
Right?
So, what?
So what?
I
Right?
mean, now it's higher or wider or what?
Yeah, it's longer now. There's more leg room in the back.
We put the seat in for Shaq.
Yeah, but what about me?
shiny new black part.
Yeah. Nice.
You could see it in there too.
Yep.
And your shiny new chrome lugs.
Yeah, looking good.
So it makes the wheels poke out more.
Wider. It is wider. It's
How many inches wider on each side?
well, an inch and a quarter on each side, but I guess it's 2.5 inches wider.
Like my mom said.
But it's not all on one side,
Yeah.
2.5 inches. It's only an inch and a quarter on each side. The tires stick out an inch and a quarter further than they used to. We didn't take it for a ride yet and feel them fall off. That's going to be the next thing.
I hope they're on tight.
I hope so. Got to check them tomorrow.